Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with something super special. It's the new Palm. So if you were a fan of the Palm of old, you're probably going to be a fan of the new Palm. But also if you want to live a more simplistic life where your life doesn't revolve around your phone, but your phone revolves around you, it's a great option to have. And it's not necessarily designed to be a primary phone. And that's one of the great reasons that they paired up with US Mobile for the $5. You get a $5 monthly phone plan with this thing. But what it does is it gives you the opportunity to take your life back and not be constantly staring at your phone. Now, it'll do everything that it needs to. It's got dual cameras, it's got a camera on the front, it's got a camera on the back, it's got facial recognition technology so you can scan your face to unlock it. It's got a 3.3-inch HD display, 445 pixels per inch, if that's something that you care about. But just throwing it out there, it's better than the iPhone 8 even, or the iPhone 10R. So pretty cool what they've been able to do. Now, it looks fantastic. There's two different colors. They have this gold and then the titanium one. I went with the titanium looking one. I think it just looks professional. It looks snappy. And look how small this thing is. Now, they call it the palm for a reason because, I mean, basically it fits in the palm of your hand, which is just uncanny. It's running the latest version of Android 8. It's not Android 9, but it is running Android 8.1. It has a Snapdragon 435 processor in it. It's got a 12 megapixel rear camera with a flash, and it has an 8 megapixel front facing camera. And here it is compared to my BlackBerry Key 2, which has a 4.5-inch screen. You can see the phone is the same size as the screen on my phone, which is just crazy. But it has 3 gigabytes of RAM. It's IP68 dust and water resistant, so you can drop it in the water, don't have to worry about messing it up. And it has 32 gigs of internal storage. All right, so taking a look inside the box, you've got your fancy documentation here. So you can take a look at that. It tells you a little bit about the product itself. If you want to read it, it's got some pictures in there too. So that's helpful. It does come with the charger. It comes with the USB-C charging cable. So it has everything you need to get powered and ready to go. You may want to make sure you plug it in as soon as you take it out of the box just to give it a full charge. Comes with the SIM ejector tool, so you can pop that sucker out. Now, there's no expandable SD storage slot in there. It's only got room for the SIM card, which, I mean, it is a tiny little phone, so all you have room for is the nano SIM. But that's perfectly all right. You can get up to 3 hours of talk time out of it, 4 hours of GPS, and you can get up to 5.5 hours of LTE streaming or up to 6 hours of Wi-Fi streaming. So this phone is designed to toss it in your pocket, to carry it with you. It's a way to leave your big phone at home, or if you want to disconnect from the world for a little while, but you still want to be able to check your Twitter, you still want to be able to see Facebook, you can do all that. And it's like a phone companion instead of you being absorbed in your phone. Because let's face it, that's the technology in the world we live in nowadays. Is everybody's constantly using their phone 24/7. We need these phone batteries that last all day. If you try to use this as a primary phone, it's probably not going to work out very well for you because the battery does deplete kind of quick whenever you're using it at 100%, but it does recharge very quickly, especially with a quick charge cable. So, but if you're not using it very often, it will get you about 8 hours of use on life mode, where it suspends the battery life and makes it where it lasts longer. And it gets you 3 days of standby time. And it'll charge 50% in 31 minutes, or you get 100% charge in 68 minutes. So, really cool there. Now, I'm a huge fan of this little case here. Now, it's not real leather, it's faux leather, but it feels like real leather, and it's nice and it's comfortable and it's snug and it has a great fit. And then it has a little lanyard wrist strap that goes along with it as well. So you can wear it around your neck or you can wear it on your wrist. So you got two different options there. But overall, though, I am super excited about it because I carry two phones all the time. I have my primary phone and then I have my secondary phone. I'm always reviewing stuff. So if you're a person that has two phones, then this is probably something that's really going to benefit you. If you want to go to the gym and you want to run, you want to go out, you still want to have access to things, but not be tethered to your primary phone. It's such a relief being able to not have to lose your connectivity, but you don't have to be absorbed in it either. So if you go on vacation, you want to go out with the family for the day, go hit the movies, go hit the trail, this is an ideal smartphone for you. And it takes really good pictures too. I've been able to take a couple of pictures with it since I've had mine out. And like I said, I'm enjoying it immensely. So there you go. USB-C spot on the bottom. It's got a simple power button on the side. It's very unassuming, very compact. But that's all I've got on this unboxing video for the new Palm. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.